I have already told you about this rose bush. This one had about 3 meters tall, but only gave me about 10, 12 roses in 2 years. So I had to cut it off. In a few weeks, as you can see, it has given me almost close to 100 flowers. I had to cut some of them, but you can see there are a lot of new roses here everywhere. What is the difference? The difference is that I had to cut it drastically, but the rose bush had to build up itself, and now he is giving me much more roses in just a few weeks. The gardener of our lives, which is God, sometimes allows certain kind of situations to arrive in our life that maybe cut our life in half. But the point is that we have to rebuild ourselves from zero sometimes, and that is a chance, a new opportunity to rebuild ourselves in a better way, to give much more roses in our new life.